Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo, the word scout, wakes up in Vocabland, ready for a trip to Sunny Hill, but his body feels slow and heavy. Getting ready feels harder than usual, and energy feels far away. A new word fits this tired feeling: lethargy. Lethargy means feeling very tired and low on energy. Each step feels small, and the backpack feels heavier than normal. Rest begins to feel important instead of pushing forward. A short pause helps energy slowly return. Energy slowly returns after taking time to rest. Sunny Hill feels reachable again with fresh energy. Timo, the word scout, remembers that feeling very low on energy is called lethargy, and rest helps the journey continue.
Thank you for watching Vocab Cartoons. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Click the bell button so you don't miss our next word adventure. See you in the next video. Bye!